Alright, welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today is a clean with me video, and pretty much what this video is like a Tuesday routine for me. So I'm just dusting down a little bit. I'm not going to extremes. I'm just making it look like I did something when in reality I didn't do anything. So we are just lighting this candle because my house stunk really bad. Alright, and now I'm just cleaning up, dusting off my lamps. Like I said, just making it look like I did something. And I'm not trying to moon you guys. It was extremely hot, so my shorts are a little short. Now I decided to pick the stuff up off the couch, and I just do this. I just fold my blanket up, throw it up on the back of the couch, get rid of any like mail or anything, movie sitting there that we've watched or whatever. And I always like to keep napkins right there, just for the simple fact, you never know. And now all I'm doing is sweeping my kitchen floor. I don't mop on this specific situation because like I'm just sprucing my house up. I'm just making it look like I did something again. I hate hardwood floors. Ugh. Alright, now I'm vacuuming, sprucing everything up. Oh, I had to get the cord from my bedroom and then plug it in to my bathroom because the cord wouldn't reach out to that rug. Alright, so what I'm doing right here is every other Tuesday, the day before we get paid, I always like to go through my kitchen refrigerator just to make sure like I get out anything that's old, anything that may be expired, stuff that we haven't touched, so that way I can get ready to make a grocery list because we shop every other 2 weeks because we get paid bi-weekly. And as you can see, I threw something out that we didn't eat. And the milk wasn't good, and it was still a half a gallon. Alright, so right here all I'm doing is gathering up like things that we need, like work clothes, underwear, bras, anything to that nature, anything that's vitally important, because I am not doing all the laundry at this moment. I'm just washing things that we need. I seriously hate doing laundry, you guys. Alright, and I'm just loading the washer up with my first load because I have to wait for my husband to get home so I can wash his work clothes. Right, just taking the trash out, and obviously putting my trash liner in, getting ready for another week of trash. I swear it feels like we go through so much trash and it's only me and him. Alright, so right here all I'm doing is making a list of everything that I need to grab tomorrow so I don't forget. What I do is I go around starting from my laundry room to the bathroom and just writing down everything that we're low on just so we fully have it stocked. I'm just one of those weirdos, trust me. I like to be stocked instead of just running out and then being like, oh hi, we don't have this. And we're done. Alright, so I'm just putting away the stuff that was on my little hanger rack that I used. For stuff that we don't like to throw in the dryer. I have this little hanger rack just so that way like clothes don't get shrunk or anything to that nature. And that's all I'm pretty much doing right here, and I will be ending my video at this clip. I hope you guys enjoyed this little motivation video, I guess you would call this, clean with me. And yeah, you guys, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Okay? Okay?